Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this settings bar and let's tap to the second from the left button to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's move to this button from the right. By just one tap here we can turn on the camera grid lines, another tap to turn them off, so this is really easy. And as you can see, the orange color suggests us that now they are turned on, and here in the preview we can see them. So these lines are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that all of the grid lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I move to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the real photo, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to tap to this second button from the left and use this button with grid to turn them off. And for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.